birthday to you. I am 1, I am 2, I am 3, I am 4, I am 5, I am 6.
I'm 6. Turn 7, I'm gonna say I'm 100.
Hey! That's too much.
Yeah. Ayan si Ate tulog pa. Good morning, Toronto. Good morning, Niagara. You're here in Niagara? Yeah. So, ayan. Day 2. Day 2. So, ang dami namin. I know. Sorry about that, birthday girl. So, Day 2, ang dami naming lakad today. So, ganito ang view namin paggising. Yeah. So, ganito ang view. Ayan, masilaw nga lang. But, ito ang view namin. Yan. So, yan ang view namin. Ang ganda na niya. Parang napaka-calm niya, no? Pero pagdating mo dun, oh, ingay. So, ito ang view namin. Yan, good morning!
I am 1.
I am 2. I am 3. I am 4.
I am
5. I am 6. Tumigil din. Okay. Let's go guys. Maaga kami ngayon kasi kagabi nahirapan kami sa mga parking here in Niagara. Ang hirap pala ng parking dito guys. Yan ang pinaka parang challenging dito. Yung parking. Okay. So sige, bangon-bangon na!
Your beautiful smile, your beautiful life are waiting for you to shine bright. It's never too early or late to start, to rise up and shine. Your beautiful smile, your beautiful life are waiting for you to shine bright. It's never too early or late to start, to rise up and shine.
Early grind ng family. Ayan. 7:30 a.m. Umalis na. Yeah. From hotel, umalis na kami. Kasi nga, ang dami naming...
Oh, dito lang pala yung
lakad
Friday.
today.
Yan, oh.
Yeah.
Naglakad lang pala tayo.
Yes, so ayan.
Meron pala dito.
Dexa, you're 7? 7 years old? 7 years old or 8?
No, I'm 6. Mom.
6 years old! So, ito yung view namin for today.
Hinahanap natin kagabi.
So, ayan. I-share namin sa inyo today ang aming paglalakbay. So, this one is the Marriott Falls on the view. Yeah. This one is Fridays. Iba siguro to na Fridays. Yeah, it's different. Yeah. Okay, share namin sa inyo mamaya. Teams ulit for breakfast. Ayan kami. So, naiwan yung mga bata doon sa sasakyan. So, walang mabilhan dito kundi yung Tim's. Kasi yung mga ibang store, hindi namin alam kung bukas or ano, ito na lang muna ulit kami for breakfast. Ayan. Sausages and coffee for us. Ayan. Let's go. Ayan, Tim's ulit for breakfast. Ayan. Yeah, come on guys. Happy birthday. You have your apple juice.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Dexa.
Birthday at the
May kumanta.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday to me.
May
And
kumanta.
my 1, and my 2, and my 3, and my 4, and my 5, and my 6. I'm 6, Dexa.
Kinantahan niya sarili niya. Uy, kumakain na si Daddy. Okay, have some breakfast, guys.
I don't need breakfast.
Yeah. So, ayan yung mga order namin. Kain mo na kami. Yeah. So, ito yung cruise. Yes. Niagara Cruise. So, dito...
You have reached your destination.
Ay! Ang ingay naman ni ano. So, dito kami. So, maghanap ngayon si husband ng parking. So, tingnan mo nga kung anong parking na to. Ito mga to. Restaurant kasi to eh. It's something like looking. Yeah. Etong parking na to. I don't know if this is a parking. Ay, hindi. Nag-ano lang sila. So, doon talaga tayo magpa-parking. Yeah. Ayan, bumalik kami ulit dito kasi nga sarado pa yung center nila saan kami sana mag pick up ng parang ticket namin for the whole day. So yan, sarado nga. So ayun, maganda din pala dito tong Sheraton Hotel. So harap din niya. Tong Crowns Plaza, I don't know. Yung pinakataas niya maganda. If ever makakuha ka ng room mo sa tuktok. Pero ewan ko lang kung mga rooms yun. Nandito kami sa parking lot which is 30 minutes daw, sabi ni husband is $11. Yeah. So ayun ang problema dito is parking. So nagpa-park na si husband. It's 30 minutes, $11. So we have to park 2.5 hours. Kasi kapag malate ka na mamaya, baka puno na to, then wala ka na ma-parkingan. Is malayo pa yung all day pass na ride. Doon pa dulo sa dulo. So kahit na i-purchase namin yon, hindi naman kami maglalakad kami, I mean. So kaya yan. So ito, magpa-purchase na lang kami here. Then yung cruise namin bandan dito. Are you feeling cold? Yeah, sorry about that. Yeah, it's cold. Okay. So cold pala ang weather here. It's August. And this is the birthday girl today. Yes. Yeah, the boat is there. So ganito ang view. Yan. Ang ganda dyan, Dexa. Stand ka nga dyan, Dexa. Okay. Smile to mama camera. Smile. Naglalakad-lakad kami. So dito yung US side daw pala to. And may boat din doon sa mga US side. Dami din nilang tourist. And then here yung Canada side din. So yun, pupunta na kami sa cruise. I think it's magna 9 na ata. Going to 9. Dexa! Hi! Okay, let's go na. Babalik pa naman tayo dito. Okay, let's go na there. Time check, babe. 9:30? Ah, okay. Yeah, let's go. Let's see kung ano yung makita natin dun. Yeah. Oh, yes! Bridge dito? Yeah, I know. Bakit kaya yan, no? Ano kayang project nila na yan?
Di ba yan yung desk nila? Nakita dyan sila nag-o-observe ng falls yan.
Sino sila? Oh yeah, that's a deck. Deck pala yan, nakala ko. Oh, come here. Oh. Yes. Oh. Blue and red. So ayan, tinan mo. Mayroong red here. Na cruise. Ayan. And then this one naman blue. Ayan siya. Ito si Dexa. Ayan, Dexa. Come on.
Wow!
Yeah. That one is red. So pupunta tayo dyan na. Magkukrus din tayo dyan. Ano saan mo gusto? Sa taas? Mamaya? Tara. Yeah, so dito yan sa Niagara Cruises. So dito yung view. Ganda yung Sheraton Hotel here. Crown Plaza dito. I don't know kung ano yan. Hindi naman ata hotel yan. So doon yung parking namin. Yeah. US border to. Yes, baby.
I watched the thing about that. A YouTuber went here.
Oh.
And if they are a gamer and they
Okay, go there. Oh. Go there kay daddy. Oh, let's go na. Tanong na tayo sa cruises. Yan yung van ata nila. Oh. No? Dexy! Oh my God, Dexy! So kakaikot namin. Ayan, nakarating na kami dito sa boat area. Ayan. So by the way, they have also zip line here. Ayan, zip line. Ayan. Pero hindi na kami nag-avail. ito lang, boat cruise lang ang kinuha namin online din ang ticket nito. So, it's timed ticket. 1 hour ata yung cruise din. Yeah. Mamagaas lang kami, Daddy. Baka pwede tayong ano. Yeah. So, ito siya. Ay, hindi kita. Yeah. Sneaker City Cruises. So, pababa na kami dito sa time ticket namin. It's 9:30. No worries, our time is 9:30. Yeah. Ayan, so pababa ka here. Ah, thank you guys. Another beautiful view. So I don't know if what's this. Merong ganito here. Is this a restaurant? I don't know kung ano to. Ah, deck niya. Which is libre lang naman ata doon. So, yeah. So, eto yung view niya. Here. Ayan. Nakita nga lang sa taas. Yan ang view. The Canada side. Ayan. So, eto yun. Wow! Marami nga lang puno. Sige, punta tayo din. Ayan siya, guys. Oh my goodness. It's okay. It's a poo of a dog. Yeah. Ayan siya. So, ganito yung cruise here. Ayan. So, here. So, okay. Let's go. Yeah, 9:30. Yeah. So, sorry. So, dito yung ano niya. Dito yung boat. Yan. So, 9:30 ang time namin. But, yeah. Here na kami. Thank you so much. Yeah. Yeah. Can I have a extra for tomorrow? Yeah. Yeah. Thank you. Yeah. Dito, Daddy. Yan. Yan na. Cruise. Ito yung lane niya. If you want to take your cruise na. Yan siya. Yeah. Oh, oh, who is that? Who is that? Huh? Oh, ano pa yung ano niya sa ulo niya? Hey, don't. Ayusin ni Daddy. Just hang on in there. Ayusin ni Daddy. Tapos i-tight mo yung sa harapan niya. Okay, papasok yung tubig. Yan. Excited lang kami. Yan siya. Yeah, I know. Yeah. So, yun. Yeah, pipila. Go ahead to Daddy. You have to go to the line. You have to go to the line, guys. Go ahead. Yeah. Go ahead, baby. Yan. So, 1 hour ride din tong boat na to. So nice, right? Yan. So, doon ang pila namin. Doon sila, Daddy. That's nice there. And dumating na yung boat namin. Nandyan na. Excited na lahat. So, ang dami din ngayon. So, 9:30 to 10:30 na time. Yan din. So, marami din sasakay. Ayan. There. Ay, mainit tong ano na to. Suot namin na to. Yan. So, ayan, pasakay na kami. So, yun yung boat namin. Ayan. Dexa ay nagagalit sa init. Ayan yung mga sasakay din na kagaya namin. So, ayan na. Go to daddy! Go to daddy! Ayan. So, ganito yung view. So, gusto namin sa taas. Yung iba din gusto dito sa baba. Ayan. Come on guys! Let's go! Let's do it! Ito siya. Good morning! Good morning, kabayan! Dexa! Happy birthday, baby! Yeah, I know! Yeah, that's ano na, bubbles. Bubbles, ano? Ang dumi daw, ano yung dumi. Ayan! So we're cruising 1 hour. I want to see it on my naked eye, guys. You remove your, ano, mas maganda siya. Sa naked eye. Remove your eyeglasses. Dexa! Happy birthday! This is your birthday cruise.
Yeah, celebrating my birthday here.
See? Ooh, my.
I'm so happy I'm turning grade
As we make our way up
Grade
the
one.
Niagara River,
Okay.
look to port, or the left side of the boat, where we will pass the American Falls. It can best be described as the American side of Niagara Falls, which in comparison is a smaller waterfall that lies far to the left of the
So
Horseshoe
this
Falls
one,
and is located between Prospect
sinasabi
Point
niya.
and Luna Island. According to scientific study and historical research, it has been concluded that the American Falls will eventually transform into a succession of descending rapids due to natural forces of erosion.
careful.
The high flow rate of water causes the
Yeah,
fall
ito yung
of large
sinasabi
sections
niya.
of bedrock from the American
this
Falls,
one,
which
right?
is composed of soft shale and limestone.
Wow.
Though the height of the American Falls is higher than the Canadian counterpart, no daredevil ever preferred to
Yeah.
go over the American Falls. All stunts were performed from the Canadian Horseshoe Falls, which is more popular with its immense water flow rate and shape. The height of the American Falls stands
Oops, sorry.
at 180 feet or
Yeah.
56 meters high. Its crest line, 1,075 feet or 328 meters wide. Its water flow, 75,000 gallons or 8,800 liters per second. And a recent notable rock
So, asan yung tunnel? Alam ko ang tunnel ito, yung maliit. And then the other one is behind the falls, right? Yeah.
the smallest of the three waterfalls. It is located on the American
So,
side,
marami pa
just to the
kaming
right of the
cruise
American
din.
Falls, separated. As we make our way up the Niagara River, look to port, or the left side of the boat, where we will pass the American Falls. It can best be described as the American side of Niagara Falls. Melville Falls
Ayan
is
siya.
181
Grabe
feet,
yung
55 meters.
mist.
It remains the smallest waterfall
Yeah.
compared to its two counterparts.
Ayan, di mo na makita yung falls. Sobrang mist niya. Ayan na, yun ang nagpapa-rain sa kanya. Ayan. Next time, it's raining. Ayan, it's raining, guys. Yeah. Ito siya. Yeah, this one. This is the falls na nag-rain. Oh! Wow! Talaga, hindi siya, ano, no, ang bagsak niya parang meron pang maliit na lake. Ayun niya, no? Ay, can you see it, Dexa? Andito si Dexa, tinitingnan niya. Yeah, it's nice, no? Dexy, ito maganda lang. Oh, here. Yan. Dito naman sila. Ganda din ang view nila doon. See that, Dexa? Yeah, see that one?
Niagara
It's
Falls,
a
more
hill.
specifically, is the name of three waterfalls.
Yeah.
The American, the Bronnoville, and the Horseshoe Falls.
O yan sila. I think eto sila din eh.
Flora and natural beauty located on the island of Taylor
Ayan.
is known as the Horseshoe Falls.
Sabi ni Dexa, hi!
Or horseshoe-shaped the crestline. And the city of Niagara Falls, in all its natural beauty, continues to be a holiday spot for millions of visitors from all over the world
the
each
drone.
year.
Yeah.
Geological studies and the history of Niagara Falls indicate that thousands of years ago,
Ano
the
ata
falls
yun,
were
yun
located
yung
11
parang,
kilometers downriver from its current location. Erosion was
Ayan, meron silang drone. Cute.
over 500 waterfalls in
Ayan.
Lake Colorado. But Niagara Falls is the biggest waterfall in the world for volume of water flowing at an average of 750,000 gallons per second.
So, ito yung tunnel. So, we have also a booking for this. Pwede kang pumunta anytime. So, we have included the passes. So, kasama to sa passes, Dad, sa tunnel. Yeah. Ito namin tomorrow for 2 nights. Yeah. So, ito lang talaga pala siya. Kasi in the other side is Marriott Hotel. Yeah. So, ito siya! There! Kahawa ko kay Daddy. Oh my God! Si Dexy kumukuha siya ng magandang video for you guys para ma-share namin. Yeah. That one is Johnny.
Dexa, say hi to
Hi! Dexy! It's a mommy. Hi guys! Ayun na! Yeah. Okay, ayan siya!
mga tao pa.
Oh my goodness! So grabe din ang miss niya dito. Yeah. Kasi in the other side is Marriott Hotel. Yeah. Ito siya! Nakawa ko bigat. Oh my God! Let's kumuha siya ng magandang video for you guys para ma-share namin.
Kuhanan mo rin kami si
Yeah. That one is Johnny.
Dexa, say hi to ate.
Let's see. Ito, mommy. Hi, guys. Ayun na. Oh, my God. Ayan siya.
Mga tao pa.
Grabe din ang miss niya.
Come closer. Camera, we're careful with it.
Oh, the rainbow is there. Parang may bagyo dito.
Look at the three of you. Oh my god. I can see the rain droplets on my phone.
Dexa, are you good?
There's the spot for behind the falls.
So, ayan siya. So, hi! Oh my! Oh! Yan, tapos na kami here. So, ito siya. Ayan. So, ito yung view na yun. Sobrang basaha. camera ko kanina, ewan kung clear. Pero ito siya. Ayan. Here. So may nag-cruise ulit doon. Ganda, diba? Ayan ang aming view. Pakita ko lang yan.
The US Falls.
It's raining again next time.
Ayan, sa cruise. Ay! Grabe! Woo! Oh my! Iba naman ang ano dito. Parang bagyo lang. Ang peg. Ayan, so medyo nawala na. Kasi ito naman yung mist na yun. Ayan. So dito yung US side. Canada side. Ayan siya. Ayan, ito yung US border, Daddy. Ito siya. Sa US na kasi daw to eh. Ito, US na siya. Ayan. I don't know kung clear ang view kasi nga kanina sobra yung mist nitong phone. Yes, baby, pasang sisiw.
Mommy, when you
Okay.
phone
Ano yung Dexa? So we're going na back, Daddy? Ang bilis naman. Oh, 30 minutes. Ayan, so pabalik na pala kami. That was fun though. Yeah. Happy birthday, Dexy and Dexa.
only me live.
Happy birthday to myself.
Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for joining us today aboard Niagara City Cruises. We sincerely hope that you enjoy the flight to the falls.
Yeah.
As we approach the dock, please do not move about the vessel and refrain from using the stairs until the vessel is
So
secure.
ayan, ang view
Once alongside the
again,
dock, our crew will
guys.
direct you to either the forward or rear gangway for disembarkation. Check to make sure you have all your belongings and proceed to exit the vessel.
Yeah.
Visit our Riskier gift shop for those last-minute items. Or
Yeah,
join
you
us
can
dockside
remove
at the
it na.
Riverside Patio Bar and Grill.
Basa ang paa. So ayan na din yung mga naghihintay na tao. So I think their time is around
Pwede ba itapon dito dyan?
10:30. Yeah.
Alam mo, souvenir yan.
Souvenir daw. Nainitan na si Dexy, oh. Careful, guys. So yan, dumaong na kami. Ayan. So the cruise is done. Here. Daming tao din ngayon. It's Thursday. Oh no, it's Friday, I mean. Friday today, it's August 11. Dex's birthday.
And yours too, Mom.
And my birthday too. And birthday advance celebration for this little baby. Little baby ka pa ba? Hindi na? Hindi na? Yan, punta lang ako dito sa saglit. Yan, ito yung view nito. Here. Yan. So this one is the US side nga. Lagi kong sinasabi US side na falls and Canada Falls. Ayan. So yung mga hotels namin here lang. So kung sino yung gustong pumunta, Embassy Suite is nice and Marriott. Doon ang hotel namin, the other side, and then this one. So kitang-kita yung view here. Ayan yung mga hotel na maganda. Ayan. Dito, Skylon Tower. Mamaya magdi-dinner kami here. So ayan. Ayan yung magaganda dito. Just sharing your experience, guys. Yeah. Okay, let's go. Ayan na nga, tapos na. We're done. So yan, yung pantalan. Ito ang shore. Ayan, tapos na. Dexa, how's your experience, baby? Here, here. Dito ka, anak ko. Oh, how was it? Good. Did you enjoy your birthday today? Ayan, marami rin naghihintay. Let's go, guys. Basa ka pero worth it naman siya. Yeah. There, ang view ni Dexa. Oh my God, ang ganda din. So here yung may bata ata. So that's all for today, guys. Happy birthday! See you later.
Another video, but I don't know yet.
Okay. Okay. Ayan. You're sharing in the view. Here. So, ito yun.
My boyfriend like this is the best way in my life.
Ba't ganyan ka? Parang nahiya ka naman. Okay, thank you. Okay, this is a treat for Dexa. Where we'll get the destroys there. Okay. Habang nainitan kami, so mag-snacks muna kami here. So, ang daming magagandang view here. So, isa to. Ito yung view. May mga view ka while walking back. Ayan. So, tomorrow, punta kami here. Siguro dito sa loob. Ayan. Dexy, we have that power station? No. Sa Passes? So maganda dito guys, yun lang, you have to get that adventure pass para ma-experience yung pinakamagandang mga pasyalan dito here in Niagara. Ang daming gagawin. Kulang ang 4 na araw. Honestly, Rodexy, no? Hectic na kasi kapag kinuha mo lahat kasi talagang ano na din, full pack na yung schedule nyo as a family. Yeah.